can't like your name. I wanna let the rhythm. That's right, baby. Apparently I am. Thank you. We're deaf, remember? All right, this is going to be the last one tonight, but before we do that, I would like to introduce you to Motorhead, okay? Because it might be your first time. On my right, ladies and gentlemen, mein Damen und Herren. On my right, on your left, playing guitar with Motorhead for 29 years, Philip Campbell. On the drums, the best drummer in the world, Mickey D.
And over there on the left, the one and only Mr. Lemmy. Kill Mr.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And we have a few special guests for this last song. So, you've been a fucking great audience tonight, Berlin. We thank you very much. We'll come and see you again. Don't forget us. We are fucking Motorhead. And we play rock and roll.
Hey, you motherfuckers in the seats, stand up. It's the last song. Get off your asses. Come on, everyone. You gotta go to work tomorrow, so you might as well get up, you know. That's better.